Hi, I'm Onik, a passionate digital marketer dedicated to helping your business grow and succeed in the ever-evolving digital landscape. In today's competitive world, a strong online presence isn't just an advantage, it's a necessity. That's where my expertise comes in. Services. I provide a range of services tailored to meet your business needs, including 1. Social media marketing. 2. Search engine optimization, SEO. 3. Content marketing. 4. Paid advertising. 5. Analytics and reporting. Benefits. When you work with me, you're not just hiring a marketer, you're gaining a partner invested in your success. My services are designed to increase your visibility, attract quality leads, boost your revenue, save you time so you can focus on what matters most, running your business. Why choose me? So, why should you choose my services? Because I'm results-driven. I understand that every business is unique, and I create personalized strategies to ensure your success. My clients have seen real growth and transformation through my work, and I'm confident I can do the same for you. Let's take your business to the next level. Contact me today to get started, and let's achieve success together.